Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you guys how to trade in the stock market while you hear positive news, while the stock market is growing, is about to grow, or it shows positiveness that it also shows the investors confidence that they are now confident in investing in the stock market. So how to trade in that situation? So in this video I'm going to be showing to you guys exactly that. So let's get started with the video. Now as you can see, I've picked up a random stock. As you can see that this was a side trend for quite a while. Now again it became an uptrend. After the uptrend, it again became a bit of a downtrend. Now how to recognize that it would become a bullish market, or how would it grow further? So as you can see that for this purpose you can also draw support and resistance level. This is the support line that is quite usual. You all know that I've explained this to you guys in my videos as well. Now this is the major area of support level. As you can see that now the main thing happens is that with technical analysis you will also have to keep an eye out on fundamental analysis. That's also important. Now if the fundamental analysis are good and the news about this particular stock is clear, it doesn't have news that news that is bad or that would affect the its share price. So if these news are good, then it will show growth, it will become an uptrend. Now in this case, as you can see that this candlestick, it showed bullishness. It shows that the market would become bullish, and now as you can see that you do not it is not important that you trade at this point. Wait for a while, wait for a day or two, or it shows two or three candlesticks, and after in those two or three candlesticks you can place a trade. You can enter at any moment and continue with the trend. So that is the method that I most of the time I use and I recommend. So so at this place I do not want to invest. As you can see, again it was bullish, again bearish, bearish, again it became bullish. So in a side trend, what you can do is you can invest when it is down and sell it is up. So in this case that doesn't happen. It is just, you can see a type of a straight line. So I do not recommend trading in this type of situation. Now let's get back. Now in this case, as you can see that, and the market was about to become bullish. This was the, let's see, this was the resistance level. This area acted as a resistance level, but as you can see that the outside world was growing and everything was coming back to normal. You can see a strong bullish candlestick showed at this level, and you can see, and another candlestick didn't just show at this level or cross this line, but it jumped over the resistance level and then the market trade. So whenever you want to invest in these type of situation. Now as you can see that this became a swing, again a strong bullish candlestick. Invest in this area. When it shows that a strong bullish candlestick, invest in that bullish candlestick and move along the trend. Now we do not know, how up till how long the trend will continue in the upward direction. We don't know. We also do not know. We also cannot predict about the stock market, because prediction about the stock market is way more difficult, and that's quite of impossible. So so doing that, so what you can do that is you can come up with a plan and invest and take out your plan according to that. So as you can see at this level, the if as you can see, you will have to make a plan for to invest. As you can see, if this level you have invested, so draw two lines, one up and one down. Let's say if it came down, as although it confirmed its position at this level, but if you continue, you'll have to draw two lines, one here. If it goes upward, what you're going to do? If it goes down, what you're going to? Or beside that, use your risk to reward ratio. You can also use this as well to calculate your profits. So you can also use this for in case that you are not comfortable using calculating them manually. You can use this as well to know how much profit or how much loss you want to make. Let's say you keep your loss up till this much and keep your profit up till this much high. So this is also a high. This is also a normal thing, a normal place to normal area to place your stop or risk to reward. This is also a great position to a great area great what do you call it, great margin to for reward ratio. Now as you have saw that I've placed up different techniques for you guys to show you how. Now if you want to, like, let's say that in that area you have invested, now where to exit the trade. Now let's say if you have invested in this area, as you can see that it now became bullish. So if you have invested in this area, wait for a while and until it reaches its highest high or the candlestick appears like this at the top. Sometimes it appears, you can see in the it appeared in the middle, but if it appeared at the top, so it would show that it would become bullish, sorry, it would show that the market would become bearish. If it if this appeared a bullish candlestick of the same size, the same everything was the same at the bottom, it would show that the market would become bullish only if this candle body was green and it appeared at the bottom. So it would show that as it showed at this level here, it is also a green candle body, and it showed that the market would become bullish, and it did become bullish, and now it is trading in the uptrend upward direction. So as you can see now the stock is moving upward, so we'll have to wait for a while to show us how much time it will be trading above. So as you can see that both the buyers and the seller, the investors are now confident at this level, but you can see that at this point you'll have to wait for it to show you what will happen next and what could happen. So every time patience is the key. You'll have to be patient about investing in the stock, about wherever you are investing. You'll have to be patient about that. So do not forget that you'll have to be patient, and also have a plan before investing. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.